get the content camera because I need to show y'all this. I had no intentions on creating content right now, so excuse me for any of the craziness. And this front facing camera, like, so glad I upgraded. But so I'm out here trying to get the deck in order. I might as well like go ahead and give you guys a tour real quick, because why not? Okay, so all these leaves right here, for the most part, not all of them, but a good portion, I just cleared off the deck, and pretty much this is what we look like now. I wanted to make sure to try and get the old leaves off, and then I still have to get on the roof and cut back the tree line here. Oh my god, I have like cacti thorns in my shirt and they keep stabbing me randomly. But I was sitting here trying to identify some stuff I had grown. Like, this is shishu, I believe, that I forgot I had planted, and I was trying to figure out what it was before I pulled it. And then I think this is comfrey, which I did not plant, but it's here, so okay. It's a medicinal if you don't know. But I'm sitting here, I moved my tomato plant because she's just defying all the tomato plant rules, and she's like, I'm going to do what the fuck I want to do, and that's on period. So I'm like, okay, and I took a picture so I can post it to my Facebook group, and like, look guys, you know, y'all say, oh, the tomato plant needed this, and she needed a deeper pot that, and da-da-da-da. And I'm like, she has been doing her own thing since last year. Like, she don't care what the rules are. She gonna do what her do. And while I'm sitting here looking at the plant, I look up again and realize she has a baby. Oh, focus. We have our very first tomato of the season on a tomato plant that is doing what she wants to do. I don't know which tomato. Maybe this is one of my miniature tomato plants, and that's why she's doing so good in this setup, because this little container right here, that's like a, what is it? Like a, I don't know, too goddamn small. It's supposed to be in a pot at minimum like this, and really a pot like that. But she said no. She said no. That's the culprit right there that has me sticking myself in my damn shirt. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. While we're here, we have some strawberries coming up. There is a strawberry there. Why do you keep doing it? That's not gonna be a strawberry to eat. I need them to like get bigger. So I'm gonna repot everything. Like, I'm gonna take all this old dirt and I'm going to dump it in a big bin, and I'm going to mix a new mix, because I think that's kind of my problem last year. You know, we always get the little potted mix Miracle Grow from Home Depot, but honestly, it's not really conducive to growing. So, but we got tomatoes. I have a feeling there's shishu that's going to come up in here. This is the sweet potato pot, but I already plucked one of them out of there, so I feel like she seeded all over the place. What the hell is this? Why is there a Nobody smokes black and whites. That's crazy. Anyway, blackberry bush, which honestly I don't need because literally my whole backyard is blackberries. Those are lilies, which I forgot that they would even come back, so I'm very excited about those. I kind of want to put them in a bigger pot. I have no idea what this was. I think this was just a regular flower, and I'm pretty sure this is like something I'm going to pull. A piece of mullein that I got from the farm, and I have somewhere I gotta go pick up the rest of my mullein so I can list it up for sale. None of these are, oh well, the Cuban oregano, this is all the stuff that I brought from like my apartment. Oh, if you guys are wondering, we are back at Babe's house. We are no longer in the apartment, and I think I may insert a clip like here, kind of maybe explaining what happened briefly. Okay, so we're back. I don't know if I inserted that clip or not, but yeah, we're back at Babe's house, and I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. But all down here is, except for this one, this is a banana tree, which do banana trees give you bananas? I don't know, but I have 2 banana plants that I dug up, but everything else over here is edible. They're pretty much all peppers, I believe. I think everything down here is some kind of variety of peppers. And then over there we have green onion, and then everything else, oh, that's the other banana plant. Everything else is just regular flowers. So I'm attempting to get the deck in order, because are you about to give me a flower, or is that a leaf? Everything is just coming in there. She's gonna, where is it? She's got 2 flower buds coming up, looks like. so happy. So happy. The garden makes me happy. Um, but I honestly was not planning on growing this season. Like, I was just going to tend to the plants that I already have, and if they die, they die. If they stay, they stay. I also didn't anticipate being back at baby's house. My God, my skin is atrocious. My IUD is pretty much like done. Like, it has to come out, and so my body is starting to react to hormones again, and I am going through it. Like, my face is going through it. But what was I saying? Oh yeah, I wasn't planning on growing again, but now that I'm back here, I was like, maybe I'll grow a little bit of stuff. But he wants to grow some stuff at the farm, so I know I'm going to start some starter seeds. And I'm thinking it was one way that I was going to do it, but now I'm thinking about a different way to do it. I don't know. Either way, I'm going to start some starter seeds to go to the farm, if anything. And just, yeah, I just wanted to come in here really quickly and show you guys my tomato plant. Like, well, I'm not even going to say it. We're going to see what happens with the tomato plants. Hold up, y'all. Look. Y'all see him? Just chilling. Probably was living in one of my beds somewhere. And it's crazy because I heard some scratching earlier, and I know something is like in the soffit, and I heard some scratching, and I looked up and I was like, okay, maybe excuse me, I'm gonna see like a bird pop out so I can see how they're getting in. And y'all, a little damn lizard popped his head over the gutter, and I'm like, you cannot be, like, please tell me there's not lizards living in the goddamn soffit. But yeah, as you can see, these plants here, I need to get up there and pull all that out, because I would like to not have trees growing in the roof. He's so cute. This is such a nice day. I'm supposed to be working, but I was like, I really want to be in the garden. Like, I only came out here to sweep the leaves, and then I'm just kind of like out here. I want to work outside, and like today I haven't seen any mosquitoes, but I know the other day when I was out here there was definitely mosquitoes, so I have to come out and put down the mosquito dunks and things like that. And then I need to try and figure out how I want to set my space up again, because I really want to utilize like some of the space out here. But if you guys recall from any of my other videos, if they're up, we have deer that literally come right down here. Like, they go right through the yard on a couple of different trails. So depending on what I put out there, they're gonna eat it. And if they don't eat it, they might trample it if I don't figure out how to secure it. And then on top of the fact, I'm like, it's easy to do pest control here on the deck, especially like at night when the hornworms for the tomato plants pop out. Like, it's easy for me to come out on the deck, turn on the light, use my flashlight, get the hornworms out. But if I put it out there, I ain't going out there in the dark trying to look for no damn hornworms. I don't know. We'll see. And also, I have to be mindful of when the dog is out there, if I put anything where he can get to it, he's going to pee on it. So we have that issue. But yeah, that was it. Oh, I have little pepper babies coming up. I have little pepper babies coming up. I'm so happy. Honestly, I don't think anything should be fruiting right now, to be honest, but the fact that I have 3 things that are fruiting: the strawberries, the tomato, and now the peppers. Actually, the peppers probably make sense because peppers like cool weather, and like right now it was hot and then it cooled down, and that's exactly what peppers like. And I think that's what's happening. Probably the same thing with the tomato. Anyway, let me get off of here. I'll see you guys when I pick the camera up again. Went to go move my plant and saw this little guy just hanging out. Hello and welcome to the garden.
That's nice.
doing? Why can't you just, like, be still? No, don't touch me. No, don't touch me. Stop. And you knocked all your water over. Are you happy with yourself? Oh.
Truly. Because our goal isn't just to pay lip service to you might get a client in the next 30 days. Our goal is that all of you will get a client.